This is question number 20 from the August 2017 Algebra 2 exam. In this problem, we're trying to find out which binomial is not a factor of the given expression. Basically, we're going to be doing some trial and error here to see which one of them is not a proper factor. Now, there's actually two different ways we can do to solve this. Now, if a binomial is a factor of this expression, that would mean that if the binomial was set to equal to 0, for example, if x plus 2 equals 0, which would mean that x is equal to negative 2, that would represent a root or a 0 of the expression. Meaning, if we were to replace x with that number, negative 2, and solve the expression, we should get a solution of 0. So let's test it out. We would calculate negative 2 cubed minus 11 times negative 2 squared plus 16 times negative 2 plus 84. And so again, we're testing to see if this gives us an answer of 0. And if you do type that out, you should see that you do indeed get 0. So that proves that that binomial x plus 2 is a factor of the expression. Now we could go through the other three options using the exact same process, and one of them would give us an answer that's not 0, and that would be our correct answer. But I'm going to show you the second way of solving this type of problem, and let's check using this method with x plus 4. So in this case, same idea, we're going to set it equal to 0, which would imply that x would equal negative 4. So I'm not sure if your teachers taught you this method. So we put the coefficients of each term inside this little chart here. So it would be 1, negative 11, 16, and 84. And we put the value of negative 4 on the outside here. So we bring the 1 down, and we're going to multiply negative 1 times 4, which is negative 4. And then we add these two numbers together, so negative 11 plus negative 4 is negative 15. And then we multiply negative 4 times negative 15 to get positive 60, so that goes here. Adding these two numbers gets us 76, and then you can kind of see a pattern here. We're going to multiply negative 4 times 76, which is negative 304. And then adding these two numbers does not give us a 0, and that's what we would have to get. If you get an answer of 0 here, then it would be a root. But because 84 plus negative 304 is not 0, that shows that option number 2 is not a factor of the expression. So two different methods. Personally, I feel like the first one I showed you was faster and is easier, but in case your teacher didn't showed you this other method, I wanted to show you that could work as well. Anyway, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.